In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Saving Blocks feature. Now currently, I have my page layout almost ready. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the division as a whole. Click on the plus icon that appears at the bottom of it, and under the Elements tab, just click on List. So now that my list element has gotten added under this video over here, I'm just going to go ahead and add another section, for example. So just click on the first section as a whole. Click on the plus icon that appears at the bottom of it, and under the Layouts tab, just choose another section. Now let's just go ahead and add another element to our second section that we have created over here. From the left side of the page under the Blocks feature. Scroll down and I'm just going to go ahead and click on Image Gallery. Now I'm going to delete the unnecessary paragraph text. Once our layout is ready, if in case in the future I ever wish to replicate the section that I had created without having the need to actually add each and every individual element and change the attributes to match this section over here, I could simply click the section as a whole, click on the Save as Block feature on the top right of the section and give my block a name. Click on Save Block. And now my section has gotten saved as a block under the My Blocks tab on the left side of the page. You could also get to see a preview of it. Let's just go ahead and have a look at whether our block works perfectly and whether it retains the attributes of all elements. So let's just try that out on a new page over here. Click on New Page and give your page a name. Click on Create Page. And now go ahead and click on the new block that you had just created under the My Blocks tab. And there you have it. The section has been duplicated perfectly and all elements retain their attributes. The video also plays perfectly fine. And that's it on the Saving Blocks feature.